what is complete stop work? So, is a structured communication format that plays a vital role in presenting concise analysis, logical discussions, and actionable recommendations to aid decision-making for complex or controversial issues. It involves a thorough analysis of a specific problem or area supported by extensive research to provide the chief with an official report. So, the complete staff work format includes sections such as problem assumptions, facts bearing the problem, and discussion. So, the conclusions of our recommendation is from Kuan, my partner on this report. And ensuring a systematic approach to addressing challenges and proposing solutions. So, before anything else, hindi siyang so, kuan siya, kita dali sa kuan. So, wala, hindi magsugod, hindi mahibawaan na ang report kung wala sila. Hindi, importante kayo siya po. Hindi siya matawag o complete. So, kani siya mo ni ang letterhead, which means kanang so, muna siya ang example ha sa complete staff work. Muna siya ang title, Solution to Traffic Problems in Singular Business District of Naga City. Recommendations, dayon ang iyang date sa August 2018. Dayon, so, kani siya, prepared din siya by Naga City Police Officer under the Philippine National Police and National Police Commission of the Republic of the Philippines. So, presenta din sa kuan. So, sunod na is many problem. Sunod na ganina nga problem sa so, problem, the specific issue or challenge that requires attention and analysis. It serves to clearly define the core issue that the report aims to address. So, the current traffic problems in Central Business District of Naga City. So, atong title man is kani ang saan ang solution sa problema. Ang problema nato is kanang traffic may na sa mga issues. So, nakita nato diri ang problema. So, the current traffic problems in Central Business District of Naga City. So, next, the assumptions. The underlying beliefs or conditions that are expected to hold true for the proposed solutions to be effective. So, purpose ani aron nga ma-set nato ang condition for the recommended course of action. So, ang example this one. So, muna siya. Ako na siyang i-summarize. So, ang one traffic law in CBD, which is the current, the Central Business District of Naga City will smother upon completion of the recommended course of action. 2. Observance to traffic laws and regulations by undisciplined riders and pedestrians. 3. Organize sidewalk vendors which will be confided to only one place. So, kani siya, naamo na siya possible nga solutions aron ma-effective ang issue, katong issue ng good. So, ato ni siyang ikuan. Muna siya. Totoo yung gingon ni dali sa kuan nga. Mga possible solutions aron nga may muna siyang effective. The next is the facts bearing the problem. So, what is the facts bearing the problem? Presents the factual evidence and factual information related to the identified issues. So, it provides solid basis for the analysis and recommendation. Fourth in the report. So, mo to siya gi-record ang mga nakita ko dito. So, ako na siya gi-share na ako ni for saan kay kanina kumalangan pa. The city of Naga was designed with narrow streets, possibly due to a lack of foresight for development by former local elected officials. So, mo to siya napasagdaan dahil dito ang area. So, the increase in motor vehicles has led to traffic congestion the discussion which is it delves into detailed analysis of the problem, exploring its causes, impacts, and potential solutions. So, purpose is it is the course of the report where the analysis and evaluation of the issue take place. So, muna siya. Discussion na po. So, in any survey conducted several major thoroughfares in CBTI 1, which is the Central Business District 1, frequently suffer traffic congestions, specific junctions such as Panagniban Drive and Pinafrancia Avenue experience significant delays during peak hours. The presence of sidewalk, vendors, and illegal parking. So, mo to siya i-describe ra gyud karon at mga kuan reason kaning mga lugar na asa ni nakuan, asa ni possible na naitabo ning mga area na traffic kaayo. And the next is the conclusion, which is proceed na siya sa following